Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to fix talkback problem in OPPO phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, here you will see Instagram. Talkback is already on in our mobile phone, so you have to move up like that. Here you will see menu app icon, so you have to click on the setting icon. Double click on that. Here you will see many option again. So you sorry. Settings. Language. Settings. You have to click on the additional setting option. Then here you will see many option. Click on the accessibility option. Double click on that. Now click on the talkback option. Here you will see talkback is on. So firstly off talkback and click on the turn off option. And here you will see in this way talkback is off, and in this way talkback related problem is fixed in your mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.